This is Hitansi with the Bayan Group, and we'll be looking at how to display stream playlists in SharePoint lists and in the list web part. We will be covering the following topics: creating a playlist in Stream, connecting the playlist to a SharePoint site, and displaying it on a list web part. Let's get started. First, open Stream to create a playlist. Title your playlist and give it a short description. Under the Save To drop-down, you will be given options to save the playlist to My List or any of these SharePoint sites. For this demo, I'll be choosing a SharePoint site. Click Create. Next, add videos to your playlist that you would want to see in your SharePoint list. I've added 5 videos to my Stream playlist. Now go to SharePoint and add a list web part. Here, you will see your playlist as an option to add in the web part. Now your playlist has been added as a list to the list web part. Click Republish. You can also click into the list to see the different features available. You can also click the All Items view, which shows you that playlists can be displayed in the general list view on SharePoint. You can add columns and even delete them, just as you would in a regular list. This is how you can store Stream playlists in a SharePoint list and display it on a list web part. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.